Hey guys, thanks for joining today's video. We're playing at KDK Airsoft in this video. We're using the Aero Arms APC9. It's actually a really good weapon to use in close quarters like this because it's such a small, compact package. And actually, it's really good. I think a lot of people are very wary about the Aero Arms APC9. It's actually really good. I really like it. It's got great ROF. It's got, I upgraded it, so it's great. FPS is great for indoor maps or fields, so definitely recommend it. And yeah, so it was a lot of fun. So KDK Airsoft, they modify their indoor field every couple of months. It's really fun. They have these RFID scanners and wristbands that you have to use to respawn and capture objectives. And so it's a great way to keep track of who's winning the game and who's in control of what objective at what time. And they even have lights on the field that react to the game's situation. So if you have control of 2 out of the 3 objectives on the field, 2 out of the 3 lights on the ceiling are going to indicate that. So it's really cool how they do that, and it's really cool how they manipulate the spawns, because that really allows people to understand how important it is to keep track of spawns during like a TDM game. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I did have to play around with the light settings on the camera or on footage, because the field is extremely dark. I had to really modify the light. I boosted it as much as I possibly could. When I use the flashlight in the whenever I'm using it in the game, it is bright. I mean, it lights up the entire section that I'm covering. So yeah, if you guys are gonna go to the KDK Airsoft, make sure you bring a light, because there are some spots where it can be very, very dark. Another thing I'd like to mention is the teams are designated or indicated, I should say, by these light up wristbands or armbands that they have. So we've got 2 different kinds of red and blue. And you can see here, like, I'm on red team and I'm taking out blue team. So, and it's very easy to team kill people here because people are hiding around walls. You don't see their armbands, and you accidentally shoot them. So I did that a couple times. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Adios.
Woo. I'm so sorry. Oh, nice shot. Good shot. Good job.
Moving my hand.
Where? Thank you.
Oh, sorry, dude.
It's okay. Thank God I got that mask.
Yeah.